Good morning, children. Welcome to your next virtual class. We'll continue with adverbs, chapter 13 of your grammar book. Till now, we have done what adverb is and its various kinds. Today, we will continue with the formation of adverbs and comparison. To begin with, formation of adverbs. Most adverbs are formed by adding ly to the adjectives. Now, what is adjective? Adjective is the one which describes about noun. Okay? A quick learner. Quick learner. Then quick is an adjective. But if I add ly to quick, that will become quickly. Okay? Quick is the adjective and quickly is the adverb. Okay? He is a lazy boy. Lazy boy. Lazy is adjective and it is describing boy. Lazy. Now, if I add this ly to this word lazy, it will become lazily. Okay, now this lazily is adverb. He does his work lazily. He does his work lazily. Okay. Same way we can add ly to the adjectives and we can form adverbs. Okay. So here I have taken some examples. Loud, loudly. Active, actively. Easy, easily. Strong, strongly. Slow, slowly. Clever, cleverly. Alright. Now another way to form the adverbs. Adverbs are exactly same as adjectives, but then we have to find how the word is being used. Okay, I have taken one example, a late lunch. Now here, this word late is describing lunch. Okay, late is describing about lunch. So, late is adjective. Late is adjective. And lunch is the noun. Lunch is the noun. Okay. So, here late works as an adjective. But if I say, I worked late at the office. I worked late at the office. Here this word late is the adverb. Adverb. It is talking about this verb worked. Okay. How long I worked? I worked late. I worked late. So in this sentence, this late word works as adverb. Okay. One more example, a long journey. Now this word long is describing about journey. Long is describing about journey. Journey is a noun. Yes. A long journey. So here this long is adjective. Long is adjective. If I put another sentence here, I cannot stay very long. I cannot stay very long. Now here stay is what? Verb. Okay, and this long is adverb. Long is describing about what? Stay. Long stay. I cannot stay very long. That means I cannot stay for long period. Okay. Now, third process of how the formation of adverbs will take place. Sometimes we add ly to the adjective, but their meanings become the different. Listen very carefully, children. Okay. This is her hard work. This is her hard work. Okay. Now here hard. Hard is adjective. And what is work? Work is noun. Work is noun. Okay. Hard is adjective and work becomes the noun. Work becomes the noun. Okay. Here, if I say this is her hard work, hard is taking a place of adjective. Now, if I say she works hard. Now hard is talking about works. What is works here? It is not a noun. It is verb, action word. It is action word. She works. She is doing some action? Yes. How is she working? She is working hard. Okay, listen children, it's very simple. Just we have to listen and watch carefully. Here this word hard is talking about work, hard work. Okay, hard work. And here I am saying works hard. Alright, here work is noun and here work is verb. Yes, verb. Now, if I change this letter, this word hard, I add ly to it, what will become? Hardly. Hardly. Hard is an adverb here? Yes. Now, if I change it to another adverb by adding ly, it will become hardly. Hard and hardly, both are adverbs, but their meaning will be different. Look, the moment I'll write ly, the meaning will change. Okay, I've taken down this sentence here. Okay, for a comparison, here I'm saying she works hard. Now here hard means a lot of effort. She's putting a lot of effort to do this work. Yes. But if I say she hardly works, she hardly works, that means she rarely works. She works very less number of times. Okay? Comparison of adverbs. Now listen here children, we have to take this thing very nicely, attentively. When I'm talking about just one syllable, what is a syllable? When a vowel sound is there, one vowel sound is coming, then it's one syllable. If in that whole word two vowel sounds are coming, then it is two syllables. Three vowel sounds, three syllables. Alright? Listen now. If I say early, what is the only one sound? Early, sound. High, I. Loud, out. Ow. Near, ear sound. Fast, ah. So there is only one sound of vowel in this whole word. Right? So in these cases, we just add er in comparatives. What we add? Er in comparative. If I'm making positive to comparative, I'll add er. Now, if I'm making positive to superlative, then what I will add? est. Yes? I'll add est. Now, moving to the another one. Here, look, very clear. Two syllables. Angrily. A sound is one. Break this word into two. Really. E sound. A sound and E sound. Angrily. Two syllables. Okay. Brightly. Bra. E. A and E sound. Brightly. Okay. Heavily. Heavy. Heavily. Beautifully. B-O-T. 3, 4. Okay. So there are more than one syllables. Sweetly. Sweetly. Two E sounds are there. Okay. So here angrily will become more angrily, brightly will become more brightly, heavily will become more heavily, beautifully more beautifully, and sweetly will become more sweetly. Okay. Now, if I'm talking about superlative, for comparative I have added more. For superlative I will add most. For superlative I will add most. Okay. Angrily, more angrily, most angrily. brightly, more brightly, and most brightly. So this way we will write these adverbs. Okay. Comparison of irregular adverbs, if I say. Okay. Comparison. Sometimes there is a irregularity. Like suppose I say badly. He got hurt badly. How did he got hurt? Very badly. Now badly, worse and worst. There is no resemblance in positive, comparative and superlative of this letter. Okay. Little, less, least. Many, more, most. It could be much, more, most also. Okay. So many can also become in positive and much can also come in positive. Comparative and superlative will remain same. For much and many, comparative will be more. For much and many, superlative will be most. Well, better, best. I'm feeling well. Yes? So how are you feeling? Well. I'm feeling better. So that means the way we increase the degrees, the words will change. There is no regularity. Late, later, and then latest or last. Now it could be late, later, latest, late, latter and last. Alright. So these are the way we can make the adverbs and we can compare the adverbs. Children, along with this, I have sent a worksheet across to you, right? Which you have to complete in your books. Yes, and you have to positively send me back within 3 days. Okay, children? Something which you still have not understood, we will discuss in our online class. Take care, be at home, and keep smiling. Thank you.